Join us on this educational journey as we explore the world of affordable pet products, providing you with valuable information to make the best choices for your four-legged family members. In this video, we listed the top 7 best pet gadgets and hacks every pet owner should know. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with our latest reviews and expert tips. Number 1. Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box. Are you tired of the daily hassle of scooping and cleaning your cat's litter box? Say goodbye to the mess and odor with the upgraded new version, Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box from 𝙽𝙚𝙨 Pet. For your buying guide, we've listed some key features to consider. 1. Self-cleaning technology. 2. Odor elimination. 3. App control. 4. Extra large capacity. 5. 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Our automatic cat litter box takes care of the dirty work for you. It intelligently detects when your cat uses the box and automatically scoops and disposes of waste, keeping the litter clean and fresh. Nobody likes a smelly litter box. 𝙽𝙚𝙨 Pet's advanced odor control system ensures that your home stays fresh and odor-free, even in multi-cat households. You can control and monitor your cat's litter box right from your smartphone. Adjust cleaning cycles, check waste levels, and receive notifications, all at your fingertips. With a generous 60-liter capacity, this litter box is perfect for multiple cats or larger breeds. Say goodbye to constant refilling. With the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi compatibility, seamless connectivity is a breeze, ensuring a stable connection to your smartphone for easy control. Number 2. Electric Dog Training Collar with Remote 1,600 feet. Today, we're thrilled to introduce the Electric Dog Training Collar with Remote, a game changer in canine training that's designed to make both you and your furry friend's life better. For your buying guide, we've listed some key features to consider. 1. Effective training companion. 2. 3 training modes. 3. Security lock. 4. Rechargeable and waterproof. 5. Suitable for all breeds and sizes. Our electric dog training collar is an essential tool for effective training. With a range of 1,600 feet, you can communicate with your dog from a distance, ensuring they understand commands and behavior expectations. Customize your training sessions with 3 distinct modes: beep, vibration, and static stimulation. Use the gentle beep and vibration for mild corrections or opt for static stimulation for situations that require immediate attention. Each mode is adjustable, allowing you to find the perfect level for your dog's needs. Safety is our top priority. The collar features a security lock to prevent accidental activation, ensuring your dog only receives corrections when intended. Say goodbye to disposable batteries. Our collar is rechargeable and waterproof, making it perfect for outdoor adventures and water-loving pups. No need to worry about the collar failing during rain or playtime by the lake. Whether you have a small terrier or a large retriever, our training collar is designed to fit all breeds and sizes comfortably. Make training easier, safer, and more effective in 2023. Order yours today. Number 3. Flea and Tick Treatment and Prevention Collar for Dogs. Discover the ultimate protection for your furry friend with 𝙬𝙗 Large Dog Collar. In this review, we'll delve into the features and benefits of 𝙬𝙗's top-rated collar, designed specifically for dogs over 18 pounds, offering 8 months of unbeatable protection. For your buying guide, we've listed some key features to consider. 1. Vet-recommended formula. 2. 8 months of continuous protection. 3. Waterproof design. 4. Kills fleas and ticks on contact. 5. Safe for pets and humans. 6. Adjustable and comfortable fit. 7. Proven track record. This collar is not only trusted by pet owners but also recommended by veterinarians. The endorsement of veterinary professionals speaks to its effectiveness and safety. One of its standout features is the extended duration of protection. With 8 months of continuous coverage, you won't need to worry about monthly applications, making it a convenient choice for pet owners. The collar remains effective even when your dog gets wet, whether from rain, baths, or swimming. This durability ensures your dog is protected no matter the circumstances. Unlike some other products that only repel pests, 𝙬𝙤𝙠𝙨's collar is designed to kill fleas and ticks upon contact. This provides rapid relief and helps prevent infestations. The collar is formulated with 2 active ingredients, 𝙽𝙤𝙨𝙩 and 𝙫𝙤𝙤𝙪, which are safe for both pets and humans when used as directed. It also includes a quick-release mechanism for added safety in case the collar gets caught on something. The collar is adjustable, allowing it to fit dogs of various sizes comfortably. It's designed not to interfere with your dog's regular activities, ensuring they remain comfortable while protected. Number 4. 𝙽𝙤𝙨 Dog Beds. Elevate your pup's comfort with 𝙽𝙤𝙨 Orthopedic Dog Bed. In this review, we'll explore the remarkable features and benefits of the 𝙽𝙤𝙨 Dog Bed, crafted to provide unparalleled comfort and support for your beloved canine companion. For your buying guide, we've listed some key features to consider. Orthopedic support. Size for large and medium dogs. Egg foam comfort technology. High-quality materials. Non-slip bottom. Stylish design. Stress reduction. 𝙽𝙤𝙨's Orthopedic Dog Bed is a game-changer for dogs with joint issues, arthritis, or age-related discomfort. Its premium egg foam core provides superior support, helping your pet enjoy pain-free sleep and improved overall well-being. Sized at 36 by 27 by 6.5 inches, this dog bed is tailor-made for medium and large breeds. Your dog will have ample room to stretch out and relax, making it the ideal choice for breeds like Labradors, Golden Retrievers, and German Shepherds. The egg foam core isn't just supportive, it's also incredibly comfortable. 𝙽𝙤𝙨 uses top-notch materials that are not only durable but also easy to clean. The removable, machine-washable cover ensures that your pet's bed remains fresh and hygienic. The bed features a non-slip bottom, keeping it securely in place on hardwood or tile floors, ensuring your dog's safety during playtime or rest. Number 5. 𝙬𝙤𝙨 Stainless Steel Cat Water Fountain. Upgrade your pet's hydration experience with the 𝙬𝙤𝙨 Stainless Steel Cat Water Fountain. In this comprehensive review, we'll explore the features and benefits of the 𝙬𝙤𝙨 Cat Water Fountain, highlighting why it's the ideal choice for pet households. For your buying guide, we've listed some key features to consider. 1. Generous capacity. 2. Stainless steel design. 3. Ultra-quiet pump. 4. 3 water flow modes. 5. Easy to clean and maintain. 6. LED water level indicator. 7. Promotes hydration. With a 108 ounces, 3.2 L water reservoir, it provides ample water for multiple pets, making it ideal for households with more than 1 cat or dog. The high-quality stainless steel construction not only adds durability but also resists bacteria buildup, ensuring a clean and hygienic water source for your pets. Equipped with a whisper-quiet pump, it operates silently to avoid disturbing your pets, allowing them to drink and play in peace. 3 water flow modes offers 3 water flow modes, gentle bubble, quiet stream, and relaxing waterfall to cater to your pet's drinking preferences. The dishwasher-safe design simplifies cleaning, while the stainless steel surface is easy to wipe down. The pump is also easy to disassemble for thorough cleaning. A convenient LED indicator notifies you when it's time to refill the water reservoir, ensuring a continuous supply of fresh water for your pets. The continuously flowing water encourages pets to drink more, promoting healthy hydration habits essential for their well-being. The 𝙬𝙤𝙨 Stainless Steel Cat Water Fountain is the ultimate solution for pet owners. Number 6. 𝙽𝙤𝙨 Pet Grooming Kit. Let me introduce you to the 𝙽𝙤𝙨 Pet Grooming Kit, a revolutionary pet grooming solution that combines pet hair removal and grooming in one. Let's explore how this kit can transform your pet's grooming experience and maintain a clean, hair-free home. For your buying guide, we've listed some key features to consider. 1. powerful pet hair removal. 2. Complete grooming solution. 3. 4-limit combs. 4. Convenient storage bag. 5. Quiet pet vacuum groomer. 6. Enhanced bond with your pet. 7. Less mess, fewer allergens. The Kit's 3L dog hair vacuum suction system is highly effective at removing pet hair, helping you keep your home clean and pet hair free. With 7 grooming tools and 4 limit combs, this kit provides a comprehensive grooming solution, ensuring you have the right tools for various grooming needs. The 4 limit combs allow you to tailor the grooming experience to your pet's specific hair length and type, providing a personalized and comfortable grooming session. The included storage bag keeps all your grooming tools organized and easily accessible, making it a convenient and hassle-free grooming experience. The kit's low-noise design ensures that your pet remains calm and relaxed during grooming, reducing anxiety and stress for both you and your furry friend. Regular grooming not only helps your pet look their best, but also strengthens the bond between you and your pet, promoting a closer and more affectionate relationship. By effectively removing loose pet hair and allergens, this grooming kit can contribute to a cleaner and healthier living environment for you and your pet. These factors make it an excellent choice for pet owners looking to provide the best grooming experience for their furry companions while maintaining a tidy and pet hair-free home. Number 7. Automatic Cat Food Dispenser. Simplify pet feeding with the Catalytic Automatic Cat Feeder. Whether you have a busy schedule or simply want to ensure your furry friend is fed at the right times, this automatic cat feeder has you covered. For your buying guide, we've listed some key features to consider. 1. Large capacity. 2. Customizable feeding schedule. 3. Dual power supply. 4. Voice recorder. 5. LCD display. 6. Secure lid design. 7. Easy to clean. This feeder allows you to program up to 4 meals a day, which is particularly beneficial if you have a busy schedule or irregular working hours. The 20 portion control settings enable you to manage your pet's diet effectively, helping to prevent overfeeding or underfeeding. With a generous food reservoir, you won't need to refill the feeder frequently. This is especially advantageous for pet owners with multiple pets or those who travel frequently. The option to power the feeder with both batteries and an AC adapter ensures uninterrupted feeding, even during power outages. The voice recorder feature allows you to record a message that calls your pet to their meal, adding a personalized touch to their feeding experience and reinforcing positive mealtime associations. The LCD display makes programming and monitoring feeding times and portions straightforward, even for those who are not tech-savvy. The secure lid design prevents your pet from accessing the food reservoir, ensuring their food remains fresh and uncontaminated. Thank you for joining us on this exciting adventure through the world of pet gadgets. We hope our reviews and insights have helped you find the perfect tech-savvy solutions to pamper your furry companions. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more positively awesome content on the horizon.